Hey y'all, it's Rene here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Come on in, okay? This is a place where I do my hair, a little bit of beauty, put myself together, and just showcase things about me, okay? And I want you to subscribe so you can be a part of the family too. And if you are already a part of the family, you know I love and appreciate you, and I'm glad and love your support, all right? So today we're gonna jump right in. I'm just gonna show you guys just some ways that I have worn my locks, how I was out here in these streets looking cute. So I'm gonna show y'all what I did, okay? Stay tuned. So what I love so much about these locks, you know, after I installed them and got them in, like how light they were and how easy they were to work with. Like, oh my gosh. And like they're not even heavy, like, and they're very mobile. But you get what I'm saying? Like they're not stiff, and like I really appreciated it.
Alright y'all, so we're gonna start off with our first style, okay? Nice and easy, something so simple, okay? Just a half up, half down type of ponytail, okay? Yeah, let's get into that. So simple. You gotta love it. Gotta love it. Alright, and then we're gonna transition real smooth. Real smooth. Peep this transition, okay? Top knot bun. Top knot bun. All you need is a hair tie. One hair tie to make this style happen. And there we are. And there we are.
And what I love and appreciate about them, I can just be like as rough or as gentle with them, and like I don't have to worry about them like falling out or anything like that. So let me tell you, I have enjoyed these. I have really enjoyed them.
Then we're gonna go on ahead and bring the hair on down. Let's bring the hair on down, okay? Let's bring it around our face. Let's let the hair frame our face, okay? Easy. Side part, baby. Side part, baby. Can't go wrong. Yes, girl. Swing that hair. Swing it. And then if you're like me, a lot of times on the go, on the move, you gotta just, tie your hair down. And you can't go wrong with a little side braid. A side braid for the win, okay? Look how cute that is. Alright y'all, now it's time for a little change. Side braiding got a little old, okay? Let's go ahead and bring that hair up now. If you are enjoying this video, right? And I know you are. I know you are enjoying it. You are digging these styles that I'm showing y'all right now, okay? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Yep, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I drop a new video, okay? And go ahead and throw that hair up in a ponytail, okay? Swing it. Get it up there in that ponytail. And you can see most of these styles, everything I've done, I've used one hair tie. Nothing too complicated, just one. And we're gonna hit them with a side ponytail. Yup, side. And then if you're like, okay girl, that side ponytail is cool, but it's just too much hair by my ear, okay? It's gonna just be too much dangling around, too much touching, too much hair, too much things just going on. Go ahead and braid it up, okay? It's nothing like a braided side ponytail. And there we go.
And when I tell y'all growing up, like, I hated side ponytails. I hated them. But now, love them. Yeah, when my dad used to have to get me ready for school, he used to love doing side ponytails, and I hated it. But it was like the only ponytail he could do and make it look good. But, I loved him anyway.
And then boom, we're gonna just transition to a traditional ponytail. Can't go wrong with a messy traditional ponytail. I mean, like, for real. And then we're gonna take a smooth, easy transition to a top bun, okay? A top bun. Nothing too complicated. I'm telling you, y'all, none of these styles are complicated. And for this bun, I used 2 hair ties just to make sure everything's secured. But nothing too complicated. Uncomplicated and cute, okay? That's the key word for all these styles. Boom. And if you're like, okay, cool, you know, I'm not a real big fan of top styles. I like to keep my hair down, bring it down. All right, the locks may be too heavy. Let me go ahead and bring it down. I got you. Let's go ahead and braid the back, okay? Just go ahead and layer that hair atop itself and create you a braid. Simple, uncomplicated, and cute. Guess what you need to complete this style? 1 hair tie. And there we go. But now you gotta see the front, okay? And don't forget about your traditional hair accessories. A headband goes a long way.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my distressed locks style tutorial. I just wanted to show you some of the ways I was wearing my distressed locks, and hopefully you got some inspiration. Drop some new styles down in the comment section below so I can try them out. Don't forget to like this video if you did like it. If you are enjoying my content, you enjoyed this video, be sure to share with one of your friends. And before you go, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? And until next time, see you later.
Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.